Hey, good day, friends. Lance Klessig here. First part of August, and we are jacked up. We're excited. Mike, Dave, Unruh, Sheldon, Luehmann. We are hosting a field day, soil health field day here, August 10th. That's a Tuesday evening. So we're getting together at 4:30 to 8, and right here at Burr Farms. Also, the location is home of Unruh cover cropping. And we're just north of Lewiston, Minnesota, kind of actually between Lewiston and Winona. And I just want to invite you, okay? This is your official invite to our awesome field day. So we are starting out at 4:30, and we're going to have tons of great stuff going on, okay? So we've got a drone lined up to come down and show us how they're seeding and standing corn and soybeans. We also have good friend Joel Lawler, who's going to join us. He converted a corn detassler made by Pioneer, I think from the 70s, and he made that into a highboy that he's going to be running some corn, standing corn, and dropping some seed down. And then we have a field right across the road from us here that Mike and Dave planted soybeans into green. So the soybeans, the rye was about 2.5 feet tall, right at boot stage. Planted the soybeans. Waited a little while, about a week or week and a half, something like that. Came back in with a Mandaco roller and rolled it down. And so we tried that out. We're going to have actually that Mandaco here on site. And we're going to also have an I&J roller crimper on site. And then I believe 5 or 6 other pieces of equipment regarding how to get cover crops established. A variety of different methods and means. And so we really want to encourage you to check it out. If you are coming, here's the deal. You best get registered, okay? This is a free event, but put on by some awesome sponsors. Here you can actually see the sign. Here's some of our sponsors. Not all of them, but some of them. So we are going to have a catered meal, but if you want to come, you best call me. You can call me at 608-780-2134. We'll get you registered, but really we'd ask that you call to register for the meal. You can also go on the Minnesota Soil Health Coalition website under their, I think it's their events page, and you can register there. But really do want to encourage people to reach out. We've got about 160 people RSVP thus far. So that's tremendous. People coming from 3-4 hours away. So be more than welcome to come to learn. Later on in the evening, we have Heinz Roth from Merrill, Wisconsin, who's going to talk to us about how he's using alternative forages, cocktail mixes, you know, the sorghum sedans, the millets, wide variety of those types of things on his 500 cow dairy. So should be very informational, very educational. But again, if you want to come, reach out to us. And lastly, here's the question, right? Are you covered? That is the question. And here's the answer, okay? Ready? Ready for it? Don't farm naked, plant cover crops. And so, yeah, that is a spin-off of Practical Farmers of Iowa. That's been their saying for many years. Really thankful to work alongside them. And actually, I got permission from Sarah Carlson to use it. So you can win. You can go home with one of these shirts, right? We've actually got about 125 of them. So most of our attendees are going to get one, just as a way to say thank you for coming and to carrying on the conversation about planting cover crops and soil health. So thanks for joining us. Again, if you want to come, August 10th, 4:30 we start. Look for the big banner like this. We're actually going to have a couple of them out here along the road, and should be an epic time. So thanks, everyone, and we'll catch you on the next video and or on